got some go fast goodies today. It's time to spend some money to go faster. Alright, so the thing for today is I bought some servos. So I've been using these Futaba 9550. These are state-of-the-art servos 20 years ago. So back in 2002, I guess these were very popular. But they were fast then, 0.13 second to do 60-degree movement. That was fast. However, compared to today, this is very slow. It's about, the servo I bought is 0.07, I believe. So that's around twice as fast. The reason I bought it is because I felt the car was sluggish, and it's no longer about the setup of the suspension. I think I need a faster servo. So I gave in. I need to keep up with the fast guys. I gave in, bought some. They recommended, just asked around, and they recommended this one, Power HDR 12. It's relatively cheap, around it's around $35 US. So I bought two. All right. I've never used it, but many have, so I think it's okay. Probably better than this. Almost same size. Looks exactly the same size. It's around 45 grams from the specs. So that's my tip for today. If you want to go fast on touring cars, you need pretty fast servos. The cars are going fast, so if your servo moves at 0.13 second, that's probably a delay of, let me just guess, if you say that's a delay of 1 car length, when you turn it, the car moves a car length before the servo actually responds, then that's a big delay when you're trying to time the car to enter a corner. Now this would technically reduce that delay to half a car length, if that's the analogy. So more precise, you will have more control over your car, more timing into the corner. You just have to get used to a faster servo. So initially you'll probably find it too twitchy, too sensitive, too responsive, but that's because you might have gotten used to a slower servo. So just put a faster servo and just get used to it. Drive for about, a few hours, and eventually you'll find that you'll still need more steering at the end of the day. Even with a fast servo, you'll go, I need more steering. That's the way it is with touring cars on asphalt. You can never have enough steering. That's always the battle. All right, so hope you like this tip. Not so expensive tip, $30. Time to refresh my old stuff. So on the way are other go fast stuff, but start with the servo. I really need more control over my car, faster response. Thank you, and see you next time.